So yesterday we already covered the overview of campus recruitment training. What is the importance of aptitude in campus recruitment training, and what are the topics we will cover in this 35 days program, and what type of methods we have to follow in this workshop. Hope many of you understood. So as a part of that, I would like to start with the topic number system. Write down number system. Write down number system. So in number system, we need to focus three different topics like divisibility conditions, and the second one is some of the general properties related to the numbers, and most important concept, that is units digit concept. So these are the different concepts we may cover in this particular number system topic. So in general, there are different types of numbers, very basics. So please focus. So there are different types of numbers. First one is natural numbers. So natural numbers are nothing but all the numbers from 1 to infinite are called natural numbers. It means that 1 is one natural number, 2 is one more natural number, 3 is one more natural number, 1 lakh is one more natural number. Like that, all the numbers from 1 to infinite are called natural numbers. And the second one is the whole numbers. The whole numbers are nothing but 0 to infinite are called whole numbers. 0 is one whole number, 1 is one whole number, 2 is one more whole number, 1000 is one more whole number. So from these 2 points, what we understood, so it is very clear that all the natural numbers are whole numbers. All the natural numbers are whole numbers, but all the whole numbers are not natural numbers, because 0 is a whole number. Clear? And coming to integers. So integers are nothing but minus infinite to plus infinite. Minus infinity to plus infinite are called integers. From that, minus infinity to minus 1 are called minus infinity to minus 1 are called negative integers. 1 to infinite are called positive integers. Positive integers. Okay, write down. So write down. Write down. So please maintain a separate notes. Very basic points. First of all, please focus. Point number 1. All the numbers from 1 to infinite are called natural numbers. Second point, all the numbers from 0 to infinite are called whole numbers. All the numbers from 0 to infinite are called whole numbers. Please note down each and every point. Clear? So minus infinity to minus 1 are called negative integers, and 1 to infinite are called positive integers. So 0 is not comes under positive, 0 is not comes under negative integer. So 0 is called non-negative integer. 0 is not a positive integer, not a negative integer. Understood all of you? Clear? So next one, most important point. What is the difference between rational number and irrational number? Many of you confusing here that the natural number a and the natural number is b. Whenever there are two natural numbers a comma b, we need to provide the relation between two numbers of the form a by b. We say that a by b is called ratio, like 10 by 3, 25 by 2. These are of the form a by b. But what is the irrational number? Irrational number of the form a by b are not of the form a by b, like please understand what is the difference. 22 by 7 root 2. So for example, if you have to take, please understand there is a minute difference. 10 by 3, what is the value? 3.333 and so on. We consider it as 3.33, but it is not exact value of 10 by 3. 10 by 3 exact value is 3.33 and so on. 25 by 2 is 12.5, exactly 12.5. But if you have to take 22 by 7, 3.1468 and so on. But if you have to take root 2 value 1.414 and so on. Please observe here after one decimal place it is ending. Here 3.33 after decimal place 3 is repeating many times. So compulsory here also 3, here also 3, here also 3. We know which digit repeating here. But 3.1468 and so on. So after 8, which digit comes? We don't know. So here no digit repeated. Here also 1.414. After that, which digit comes? Is it 1.414141 like that? No, it is not correct. So what exactly the difference is? Remember, whenever a number of the form a by b and it can be expressed in a decimal form, which is either ending or repeating, which is either ending, that may be ending, or that may be repeating. The type of numbers are called rational numbers. Whenever a number of the form a by b are not of the form a by b and it can be expressed in a decimal form, it is not ending and it is not repeating, that is not terminating, that is not repeating. The type of numbers are called irrational numbers. The type of numbers are called what? Irrational numbers. And I hope that everyone knows prime numbers. Whenever a number having only two factors, one and itself, the type of numbers are called prime numbers. The type of numbers are called prime numbers. Coming to the one more important point, composite numbers. Composite numbers are the numbers which are greater than 1, and other than prime numbers. It means, for example, if you have to take 1 is not greater than 1. So 1 is not a composite number. 2, if you have to take 2 is greater than 1, but 2 is a prime number. So whenever 2 is a prime number, it is not composite number. if you have to take 3, 3 is also greater than 1, but it is also a prime number. But if you have to take 4, 4 is the number is greater than 1, but it is not a prime number. So that is the reason it is called composite number. It is called a composite number. So what you understood? The numbers should be greater than 1 and those are not prime numbers. Those numbers are called composite numbers. That is the reason one is neither prime nor composite numbers. One is neither prime nor composite numbers. Clear all of you? Okay. Please note down all of you. And most important one, co-prime numbers for AMCAT exam related, most important for Cognizant, for Wipro, for Emphasis. There is a possibility to ask at least one question from co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are nothing but it is a pair. Like if you have to take 2, 3, or if you have to take 17, 19, or if you have to take 5, 9, or if you have to take 9, 24, please understand the highest common factor between two numbers 2, 3 is equal to 1. The highest common factor between 17 and 19. So what are the factors for 17? 1, 17. What are the factors for 19? 1, 19. The common factor, the highest common factor is only 1. If you have to take 5, 9, the factors of 5 is 1, 5. 1, 3, 9 are the factors for 9. So the HCF, the highest common factor is only 1. But coming to the 9, 24, 1, 3, 9 are the factors, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. These are the factors for 24. But which one is the common factors? The common factors are 1, 3. Which one is the highest common factor? 1. Nothing but the highest common factor is 3. 9, 24, the highest common factor is 3. Remember, the co-prime numbers are nothing but whenever any two numbers having the highest common factor is equal to 1, then we say that those are co-prime numbers. Those are co-prime numbers. Understood? And here, for example, if we have to say 5, 9, 5, 9, the common factor, the highest common factor is 1. Yes, 5, 9 is a co-prime number. Don't think that, sir, 9 is not a prime number. Remember, our concept is co-prime. Co-prime numbers are nothing but the highest common factor of any two numbers is equal to 1. Then we say that it is co-prime. Those numbers need not be prime numbers. Those numbers need not be prime numbers. Clear? So these are the types of numbers. So all of you noted down. So at the end of the class, I will provide these notes to you. Don't worry about it. All of you understood? Vinay, Venkatesh, Veera Mohan, understood? So should I go for some examples? Yeah, write down. Write down. A number is general problem. A number is as much greater than 36. A number is as much greater than 36 as is less than 86. A number is as much greater than 36 as is less than 86. Then find the number. Then find the number. So read the problem clearly. Because in aptitude, no problem is the difficulty. So we don't know what is that number. Let us assume the number is x. Whenever you have to say the number is x, the number is greater than 36. How much is greater than, we don't know. But the same number is less than 86. The same number is less than 86. What is that number? How much less than 86? We don't know. How much more than 36? We don't know exactly. But remember, whatever the number is greater than 36 with the same difference, as is means equal. As is means equal. So whatever the difference between x and 36, and whatever the difference between 86 and x, because 86 is the larger number, is same. The difference between x and 36 and 86 and x should be same. Then find the number. Do it first. What is the value of x? So please use the pen. Please maintain a notes. This is not the regular class and theory class. So please share your answer in chat box. What is the answer, ma? X minus 36 is equal to 86 minus x. Hope all of you understood the equation, how to get it. If you simplify x plus x, 2x, x plus x, 2x is equal to 86 plus 36, nothing but 122. So x is equal to 122 by 2. 122 by 2 means how much, ma? 61. 122 by 2 means that how much? 21. 61. The final answer 61. Clear, all of you? Srinath, Sivareddy. 61. Next one. If 6 is subtracted from, if 6 is subtracted from 7 times a certain number, 7 times a certain number, then the result is 5 times the number. Then the result is 5 times the number. Then find that number. So we don't know what is the number, but our assumption, let us assume the certain number is x. Let us assume the certain number is x. if we have to say certain number is x, 7 times the number is 7x. 6 is subtracted from 7 times, nothing but 7x minus 6 is equal to, then what is the result? 5 times the number, nothing but if x is the number, 5 times the number is 5x. So if you simplify, you may get the number. So 7x minus 5x is equal to 2x is equal to 6. From that, x is equal to 3. From that, x is equal to how much? 3. Clear? The required number is 3. Next one. The difference between a 2-digit number the difference between a 2-digit number and the number obtained by, please note down the example everyone. The difference between a 2-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the positions of its digit is 36. Interchanging the positions of its digits is 36. What is the difference between the 2 digits of that number? Read the problem clearly. Very easy example. To solve this example, first of all, we need to understand another concept. Write down heading face value. Face value. The face value of any digit in the given number is itself. Means that, for example, the number is 23895. What is the face value of 3? The face value of 3 is 3. The face value of 9 is 9. The face value of the digit in the given number is itself. And one more thing here, place value. Place value of the digit in the given number is face value of the digit into position. The position is, for example, 23895. This is the unit digit. This is the unit place. This is the unit position. This is the tens place. This is the tens position. This is the hundreds place. This is the thousands place. And this is the 10,000s place. It means that the place value of 9 is face value of 9. 9 into the position, 10th position. It means that 90 is the place value. If we have to take the place value of 2, the place value of 2 is 2 into, what is the position of 2? 10,000's position, nothing but 10,000. So what is the value? 20,000. All of you understood? The face value of the digit in the given number is itself, but the place value of the digit in the given number is face value into the position. Face value into the position. Okay. But here, let us assume x is the first digit and y is the second digit. Xy is the 2-digit number. Xy is 2-digit number. If xy is 2-digit number, what are the reversing the digits of the number? Yx. Okay. They clearly given that xy is the original number and yx is after interchanging the positions of the numbers. The example is here, the difference between a 2-digit number xy and the number obtained by interchanging yx. The difference between xy and yx is 36. The difference between xy and yx is 36. Then the difference between 2 digits. So x is the first digit and y is the second digit. Then difference between 2 digits of that number is equal to what? That is the given question. So for that, we don't want to implement any concept. Understand, ma? There are different ways. For example, 21 is the original number, 2-digit number. Reversing the digits of the number is 12. Yes, 31 minus 13, 41 minus 14, 52 minus 25. If we have to take 63 minus 36, if we have to take 98 minus 89, all these numbers of the form xy minus yx, xy minus yx. What is the value of 21 minus 12? What is the value of 21 minus 12? 9. Good. What is the value of 31 minus 13? 18. What is the value of 41 minus 14? 27. What is the value of 52 minus 25? 27 only. 63 minus 36. Yes, it is also 27. What is the value of 98 minus 89? Guys, please follow everyone. If anyone not getting, please raise your hand and ask immediately. 89, 98 minus 89 is 9. Remember, they clearly given xy minus yx. You have to find the value of x minus y. Yes. So 21 minus 12 given, you have to find 2 minus 1. Whenever 21 minus 12, 9, 18, 27, 27, 27, 9, all these numbers are exactly divisible by 9. But if you have to remember, xy minus yx is always divisible by 9. Xy minus yx is always divisible by 9. You can take any 2-digit number, no problem. So it is always a multiple of 9. Whenever 21 minus 12 is 9, whenever 21 minus 12 is 9, 2 minus 1 is 9 by 9. 2 minus 1 is 9 by 9. 31 minus 13 is 18. 3 minus 1 is 18 by 9. 41 minus 14 is 27. 4 minus 1 is 27 by 9. 98 minus 89 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 9 by 9. Similarly, whenever xy minus yx is 36, xy minus yx is 36, x minus y should be 36 by 9 na? Yes. So 36 by 9 is how much? 4 is the answer now. What is the answer? 4. Do it first. For example, if you have to take any number, no problem. 72 minus 27. Those numbers of the form xy minus yx. 72 minus 27 is 45. Then the difference between two numbers 7 and 2 is 45 by 9. So 7 minus 2 is 45 by 9 is 5. Hope all of you understood. Clear? Okay. So write down xy minus yx is always divisible by 9. Xy minus yx is always divisible by 9. Okay. So now, whenever they given xy minus yx, you have to go for x plus y, x minus y. If they give xy plus yx is given, then you have to find x plus y. So 21 plus 12, 31 plus 13, 41 plus 14, 25 plus 25 plus 52, 63 plus 36, and 89 plus 98. All the numbers are of the form xy plus yx, xy plus yx. What is the value of 21 plus 12? 33. 31 plus 13, 44. 41 plus 14, 55. 25 plus 52, 77. 99. 99 plus 89, 187. Okay. So what do you observe? 33, 44, 55. Xy plus yx is always divisible by 11. Is always divisible by 11. So whenever xy plus yx is always divisible by 11, here the sum of 2 and 1, 2 plus 1 is nothing but 33 by 11, and 3 plus 1 is 44 by 11. 4 plus 1, sum of the digits 4 and 1, the sum should be 55 by 11. The digits are 5 and 2, the sum should be 77 by 11. 99 by 11 is the value of 6 plus 3. Yes. 9 plus 8 is 187 by 11. Hope all of you understood. Yes, xy minus yx is always divisible by 9. Xy minus yx is always divisible by 9. Xy plus yx is always divisible by 11. Clear? So write on the side heading divisibility conditions. Understood? Hi Charan, Santosh. Divisibility conditions. So write down. So divisibility conditions. So whenever they given a larger number like 2, 3, 9, 8, 6, 5, we have to check whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not. So please revise. Whenever a number is divisible by 2, the last digit of the given number, is, that may be 0, that may be 2, that may be 4, or that may be 6, or that may be 8. It means that if the last digit of the given number is multiple of 2, then only the number is exactly divisible by 2. If we have to take the divisibility condition for either 3 or 9, sum of the digits of the given number, sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 3 or 9. 2 plus 3 plus 9, those are the digits now in the given number. What is the number? 2, 3, 9, 8, 6, 5. So 2 plus 3 plus 9 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5. So 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 8, 22, 22 plus 6, 28, 28 plus 5, 33. 33 is divisible by 3? Yes. So it is divisible by 3. But 33 is not divisible by 9. It means that the given number 239865 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 9. But not divisible by 9. The condition should be same for both the numbers. Sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 3 or 9. Then the given number is divisible by 3 or 9 respectively. It means all the numbers which are divisible by 9, those numbers must be divisible by 3. Those numbers must be divisible by 3. Those numbers must be divisible by 3. But all the numbers which are divisible by 3, those numbers need not be divisible by 9. Those numbers need not be divisible by 9. Similarly, the conditional for 4 or 8. For example, in the given number 239865, divisibility condition for 4 is if the last 2 digits of the given number is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. The last 2 digits are 6, 5. So if 65 is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 4. But coming to 8, if the last 3 digits of the given number is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. The last 3 digits are 865 is divisible by 8. No. How many times? 8 10 are 80. 6 is there, 65. 8 8 are 64. It means that 865 is not exactly divisible by 8 now. Yes. So the given number 239865 is not exactly divisible by 8. Yeah. So for 5, the last digit, I hope that everyone knows the last digit should be either 0 or 5. But if you have to go for 6, 6 is a composite number, then we can write it as 6 is a product of two prime numbers, 2 into 3. It means that the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. The number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Then only the given number is divisible by 6. Clear? So these are the different logics to last digit of the given number for 3, 9. Sum of the digits for 4, 8. Last 2 digits and last 3 digits for 6, 2 and 3. and for 5 the last digit is either 0 or 5. But focus on the divisibility condition for 7 because the other logics are available anywhere, but please focus the divisibility condition for 7. 91 is the number. 984 is a 3-digit number. 3126 is the 4-digit number. 10717 is the 5-digit number. If we have to take this type of numbers like this, remember that write down. Write down. So here 1 is the digit in units place and 9 is the tens place digit. After removing 9, after removing 1, 9 is the number. Here 4 is the units place. After removing 4, 98 is the number. 6 is the unit digit. After removing 6, 312 is the number. After removing 7, 1071 is the number. Subtract twice. Here 1 is the unit digit na. Yes. So double the units digit of the given number. Here also 4 is the units digit, 2 into 4. Here also 6 is the unit digit, 2 into 6. Here 7, 2 into 7. Clear? So subtract the difference between a number that is obtained by removing the last digit and double the last digit of the given number. 9 minus 2 is 7. If it is divisible by 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7. Yes, 7 is divisible by 7. Then 91 is also divisible by 7. Yes, it is exactly divisible. But here, if we have to take the difference, 98 minus 8 is equal to 90. 90 is not exactly divisible by 7. So then 984 is also not divisible by 7. Here also 312 minus 12 is equal to 300. 300 is exactly divisible by 7? No. Then the given number is also not divisible by 7. But 10717 minus 1071 minus 14 is how much, ma'am? Is how much? 1071 minus 14, 1057. If you feel that, sir, 1057 is the larger number, then you can implement the same logic for this number also. 105 minus 2 into 7 is equal to 105 minus 14, nothing but 91. 91 is exactly divisible by 7. Then 10717 is also exactly divisible by 7. Okay, understood all of you? So write down what you understood. Whatever you understood, please note down, ma. For 7, the difference between a number obtained by removing the last digit and twice the last digit is equal to 0. is equal to 0 or divisible by 7 is equal to 0 or divisible by 7, then is equal to 0 or divisible by 7, then the given number is 10 minutes ma. I will wind up the class. The given number is exactly divisible by 7. Exactly divisible by 7. Up to that, any doubts? Then the given number is exactly divisible by 7. If anyone not getting, if anyone is not audible my voice, please ask immediately, or please inform me in the chat box. You are the responsible to utilize the classes in a proper way. So I hope that everyone knows, if the last digit of the given number is 0, then only the given number is divisible by 10. But if you have to go for the divisibility condition for 11, what is the given number? 238965. Here 238965. What are the digits ma? 2, 8, 6. These are the digits at odd positions. Nothing but 2 is the first position, 8 is the third position, and 6 is the fifth position. So these are the digits minus, and what are the digits at odd even positions? 3, 9, 5. The difference between sum of the digits of the given number at odd positions minus even positions is equal to 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 5, 17. The difference is equal to 0? No. Is it exactly divisible by 11? No. Then the given number 238965 is not divisible by 11. So these are the different divisibility conditions. Ma. Hope all of you understood. Please note down, if the sum of the digits of the given number at odd positions minus sum of the digits of the given number at odd positions minus sum of the digits of the given number at even positions is equal to 0 or divisible by 11, then the given number is also divisible by 11. That is about the divisibility conditions. So write down examples. Examples. Write down. Determine whether 35,120 is divisible by, determine 35,120 divisible by 8. So we know the divisibility condition for 8. Last 3 digits. What are the last 3 digits in 35,120? 120 are the last 3 digits. Just you have to check. 120 is divisible by 8? Yes. 120 is divisible by 8. Then the given number 35,120 is also divisible by 8. Yes, next one. Don't waste your time for this type of examples once if you understand the concept. The number 348 is divisible by each of the following numbers except 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very clear. Out of that, if a number is divisible by 5, the last digit should be either 0 or 5. In 348, the last digit is either 0 or 5? No. So compulsory 348 is never divisible by 5. So that is the answer. The question is, the number 348 is divisible by which of the following numbers except 5? Except what? 5. It means that the number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6, but not 5. But not 5. Very clear, mark. Don't lose the marks. Next one. I already given one point to you know. So whenever a number is divisible by 9, that number is also divisible by 3. What is the least value, most important model for AMCAT exam? What is the least value of star for which 5 minutes more? I will wind up the session. The class timings are 6 to 7 only. What is the least value of star for which 5967 star 13 is divisible by 3? We know the divisibility condition for 3 na sum of the digits. So 5967 star 13. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus 7, 27 plus x plus 1, 28 plus 3, 31. 31 plus x. So if 31 plus x is divisible by 3, then what is the possible values in place of x? Then what is the possible values of in place of x? Possible values are 31 plus 2, 33. Yes, 33 is also divisible by 3. 31 plus 5, 36 is also divisible by 3. 31 plus 8, 39 is also divisible by 3. Yes, but you have to find the possible value or least value. Least value. So least value is how much? 2 is the correct answer. Read fast now. Okay. So 2 is the correct answer. Same model. What is the smallest number that should be added to? What is the smallest number that should be added to? 27452. 27452 to make it exactly divisible by 9. Make it exactly divisible by 9. Same. The divisibility condition for 9 is sum of the digits. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So for this 20, how much we can add to get a multiple of 9? 7 is the only possible value. If we add 7 to 20, then the whole sum should be 27. To make it is exactly divisible by 9. Next one. So, that any doubts? What is the least value of x? What is the least value of x such that 7648x is divisible by 11? 7648. Sum of the digits at odd positions. 7 plus 4 plus x minus sum of the digits at even positions. 6 plus 8. The difference should be a multiple of 11. So 11 plus x 11 plus x minus 14. So what is the possible value in place of x to get a multiple of 11? If we have to take, if the x value is 3, 11 plus 3, 14 minus 14, the difference should be 0. 0 is always a multiple of any number. Na? X is a single digit. So if you put in place of x value 3, then the given number is exactly divisible by 11. You can check with 0 to 9, no problem. Any doubt up to that? Give the answer to me. So whenever 7381 8x4 is divisible by 8, then what is the value of x? I am expecting the answer from you. The divisibility condition for 8 is the last 3 digits 8x4. So if 8x4 is divisible by 8, remember ma, 8 is exactly divisible by 8, but x4 is also divisible by 8. Then the possible value in place of x is 0 to 9 is anything. If x value is 0, 0, 4, nothing but 4. 4 is divisible by 8? No. 1, 4, 14 is divisible by 8? No. If x value is 2, 24, yes. 24 is also divisible by 8. 34 is not divisible by 8. 44, no. 54, no. 64, yes. 74 and 84, no. 94 also. The possible values of in place of x is 2, 6. But out of that, which one is the least value? Which one is the least value? So least value is, that is the correct answer. Up to that, any doubts? So small homework for you. A number is formed by writing. You have to give the answer in tomorrow's class, no problem. A number is formed by writing first 67 natural numbers. First 67 natural numbers in front of each other as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on 10, 11, 12, 13 like that. A number. Then what is the remainder when the given number is divided by 8? This is about the divisibility conditions in number system topic. Siva Reddy, hope all of you understood. Pavan, Rakesh. Yes, try to spend some time for revising the notes. What are the different basics of the number system explained today class? So please revise it once. Please practice regularly. If you are interested to continue in this batch, so try to spend some time for practice, because practice also plays crucial role to clear the online test. Thank you. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we'll go for the continuation of the number system. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Anyone new for today's class? So please communicate. I asked many times. Swati. Thank you, ma. Thank you so much.